Hi, today I'm going to show you the Sk2p decrease. The Sk2p decrease is a double decrease that leans to the left. Insert your right hand needle into the first stitch on your left hand needle knitwise and slip it. Now insert the needle into the second and then the first stitch on your left hand needle and knit them together. Slip it off. Now pass the slipped stitch over the knit two together. One more time. Slip the first stitch knitwise. Knit the following two stitches together. And pass the slipped stitch over the knit two together.